Amazing craft artist. My name is I am Dee Dee's Crafts. My life is a craft artist. It is a new year, new me, new channel, and new challenges. So we're gonna do everything we can to improve this channel. This is this video is all about is to upgrade my channel and get some more subscribers and do some better videos for you want to come back and watch my channel. I cannot wait to talk to you in this video. It's so exciting, isn't it? It's 2025, a new year, and I love it. So let's start planning goals. So happy you clicked on this video, you guys, because I'm so excited to talk to you about my goals for 2025 for this channel, for my small business, for everything I want to do to make my life better. So let's talk about my channel first. I have done YouTube for a long time, and I thought to myself, I want to do 13 videos to improve my channel, to boost my channel, to get my channel rebooted and make people want to come watch my channel. So I thought to myself, I'm going to do 13 videos. This is not one of the 13 videos. This is just to tell you that it's a new year. I'm having fun telling you the goals. It's going to be exciting. So hopefully throughout the year of 2025, we can get this channel to grow to 300 plus. I want at least 500. No, I'll take that back, you guys. I want to at least get to 300 to 500 by June subscribers if I can. So talking about subscribers, thank you so much to my new subscribers. We made it. We made it to 200 subscribers plus. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I had so much fun last year doing some cool videos, but this year I want to improve my channel. I want to take this channel very, did I say very seriously? Hopefully I can. Hope I can improve on lighting. I want to do that. Thumbnails. Oh, I hate thumbnails. I'm so bad at thumbnails, you guys. And also I want to improve at better videos all together. Better quality videos that you want to come back and click on this channel and say, oh, I love Danielle. I love Dee Dee's Crafts. Her videos are cool. Her excited. I love watching the videos. That's what I want. I want you guys to come back and say, I like Dee Dee's Crafts. I like how she makes crafting and scrapbooking and art fun. That's what I want. That's my goal. That's my top goals. Also, my top goals is to do more crafting on this channel. My channel is called I Am Dee Dee's Crafts. That's what it's called. I'm supposed to do more crafting. So on this channel, I want to do more things. I'm going to go more in depth in this video all about what I'm going to do to make this channel better. And I'll do 13 videos to update all the things out there, how I'm going to make this channel better. So thank you so much. Let's talk about the things I want to talk about in this video. And I'll be right back. Get y'all coffee, get y'all tea, have fun watching this video. And I'm so excited because it's 2025. We're going to make this channel grow. We're going to make it work. We can do it, you guys. So thank you so much. And I'll be right back. Right? Amazing things I'm going to be doing on this channel. Let's look at the topics. I hope you enjoy it. Sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy that I'm trying to improve this channel because I love YouTube. I love doing videos. I love crafting, scrapbooking, art. I love doing hauls. So I thought to myself, we're going to make some changes, some improvements to make people want to come back to my channel. So the first things I want to talk to you about is the days of the week, and I'll be right back talking to you about the days of the week. Oh, there's 7 days in a week, right? Starting with Sunday starts a new week. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I know you know the days of the week. I'm just saying, like, I'm just going to talk to you about the days of the week. I think it's just fun just to say it out loud. But I thought to myself, we're going to talk about the first thing I did back in the day. When I first started doing YouTube, I did this, and I'm going to go back to it. It's Sneak Peek Sundays. So let's talk about Sneak Peek Sundays right now. So Sneak Peek Sundays is all about all the projects I want to do for the whole week or maybe in the month. So I will show you different sneak peeks of crafting, scrapbooking, art, and hauls that I want to show you throughout the week or month, and cool little videos I would love to show you. So it's so much fun. I love Sneak Peek Sundays because I did this a long time ago, and I love how I would do little sneak peeks of little crafting things and scrapbook things and art things, and it was so much fun. I'm going back to do that, you guys. So I hope you enjoy that. I hope you like that. I hope you like this type of videos. I am so excited. So please comment down below what else you think I should do to make this channel better. So let's move on to the next thing I want to talk to you about. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And those days are very important to you and to me because those are the days I'm going to be planning the videos and maybe uploading the videos and even video taping the videos. So on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays, I'm going to start planning videos like in the future. Like if I want to do some scrapbooking videos, how to, set up a scrapbook page or do crafting for, Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland. It's going to be so much fun. Those are the planning days for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And I love those days in a row because the rest of the time I'm going to be doing videos of crafting and setting up videos. So hopefully you guys like this video. I hope you have fun watching this video. I'm so excited because I am going to be doing 13 videos to reboot my channel. And I thought to myself, these are the things I want to do in my channel to make my channel better. So let's move on. I know you guys ready for Thursday. I know I am. For Thursday now. And Thursday will be called Mixed Media Thursdays. And if you don't know what mixed media is all types of arts and craft supplies you use to make your art supplies crafting projects pop. So like markers, crayons, paints, watercolors, scrapbook paper. You can use felt. You can use anything to make this day perfect for you because it's mixed media. You can use watercolor paper, you can use chalkboard paper, you can do whatever you want. It's a mixed media. So you can use color pencils, crayons, markers. I mean, I'm going to use anything you want, you guys, to make this mixed media Thursdays fun. And I can't wait to do it again because I did it a long time ago. And I said, I'm going to bring mixed media Thursdays back. It's so much fun. I love it. I love crayons. I'm like the oldest I am. I love crayons, you guys. I love a good crayon. I love a good coloring book. I love a good color pencil, markers, Copic markers. I mean, anything you can use to make your mixed media pop. You can also use stickers and stickers, and also you use washi tape with the washi. I love washi tape. So my plan for this year is to make my own washi tape, and it's gonna be so much fun. That's another video, another time. But I'm just talking to you about mixed media Thursdays. So I hope you come back for my mixed media Thursdays this year. I had to plan it out because I said before, Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays are plan days. So I want to plan my videos for the days that you guys will want to see. So thank you so much. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and let's get into Friday. What's Friday? It starts with an S. Sketch. Friday. Talking to ourselves in our head. What do we do on Fridays? We do every Friday. For a long time on the channel, I've done sketch artist Fridays. Yes, it is Sketch Artist Fridays. And Sketch Artist Friday is a video series I started a while back. And I thought to myself, because I love sketching, I love drawing, I love coloring. And I thought to myself, we can do this. It's all about drawing and sketching something on a notebook or a piece of paper or a sketchbook. And each week we do that every Friday. And we'll color it in and we'll have a topic on it every Sketch Artist Friday. So also on Sketch Artist Fridays, I'll be doing art hauls. So if I buy new color pencils, new markers, new containers for art, new sketchbooks, it's all about Sketch Artist Fridays. I love Sketch Artist Fridays. I have not done it enough last year at all. Maybe a couple of days I did it, but this year we're going to work on making it way better. We're going to do a little cool little beginning for it. Everything. I'm going to work on it so much, you guys. I love sketching. I love drawing. I love art. And that's why I said I can't wait to do this year. This year's gonna be fun. Hopefully this year I can do a lot better art videos for you guys and better sketching. I love drawing something new. I'm trying to work on my own characters, my own small business. I am Dee Crafts. So that's another video, another time. But I thought to myself, we gotta talk about sketch artist Fridays. So Sketch Artist Fridays, I love it so much. I can talk about this all day long, Sketch Artist Fridays. So thank you so much, you guys. I'm ready for Saturday. Are you? It's the weekend. Weekend, and it's Saturday too, and you have nothing to do. I thought to myself, let's click on YouTube and see what Dee Crafts is up to. So I saw this video clip called Alternate Project Saturdays, and I thought to myself, that'd be fun to watch every Saturday. So yes, amazing craft artists, it's a cool video series called Alternate Project Saturdays. It's gonna be fun and exciting for me and you because I'm gonna alter some fun things that you might want to do yourself for your friends and family. So I thought to myself, every week I see a lot of YouTube videos where people altering things and making things out of wood, out of like felt, out of leather, all kinds of fun things. And I thought, I'm going to do Alternate Project Saturdays. And every Saturday, I will be doing a new project for you to see and you to learn and me to learn with you. And it's going to be fun and exciting. So, I can't wait to do this. What is my first project going to be? I have no idea. But I hope you come back every Saturday to see Alternate Project Saturdays. And I'll talk to you in another video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe. And I had so much fun talking to you. All the goals I want to do this year just to improve my channel. So I'll be right back. Don't forget to like this video and tell your friends, but I am Dee Crafts. My life as a craft artist. Before you click out this video, I have one more thing to talk to you guys about. It's so much fun. I did it last year. I did 8 videos in a row. Loved it. I did crafty studio vlogs. I love watching vlog channels. I love watching studio vlog channels. And I love watching small business vlogs. So I thought to myself, I'm going to do my own version of a crafty studio vlog. So that's what I did. I did 8 videos. I'm working on 9 and 10 right now as we speak. And I'm going to learn how to make some stickers and do some cool things and come on to my craft room. Whenever I get a craft room, you'll be invited in. It's going to be so much fun, you guys. I'm doing a party and everything for my craft room. Hopefully you guys like this video. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'm doing a lot of crafty videos. Go watch them. I would appreciate it if you did. And I'll talk to you at the end of the video. Have fun. This channel is getting to be a little fun, right? Thank you so much for clicking on this video, my amazing crafters. I hope you have fun watching my goals for this channel and what I'm going to do to make this channel better. These are all things I want to do. It is Mixed Media Thursdays, Sketch Artist Fridays, Alternate Projects Saturdays, and my favorite, is Sneak Peek Sundays. I actually like all of them. So I want to tell you guys to have fun watching my videos. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hopefully this channel will grow. My ultimate goal is to have this channel to go past 300 plus, and we can do it this year. Hopefully we can. So thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you have fun clicking on this whole video series I'm going to do. I will be doing 13 videos of me rebooting this channel. It'll be so short videos, probably a minute or less. It's gonna be so much fun. Maybe I'll do it on a short, or maybe not. I don't know. But I had so much fun talking to you today, and I have my glasses, and I'm gonna put them back on because today is January 2025. We're gonna do it this year. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and keep crafting no matter what.